Hi, my name is Anil Nair, and I'm your mentor for print and pattern subject. Let me introduce a bit slow about my profession, what I'm going to teach you all. This is one of the biggest aesthetic subject where I understand all the designers, all the beginning artists, or anyone who believes the world looks beautiful or needs to look beautiful. We, as a print and pattern designer, have got a major responsibility to make this a greater impact. So, in my sessions, I'm going to take you a long journey with a basic subject, right from holding pencil to create a tremendous design. Is my job to teach you all. This is a small place of mine. This is a small studio where I spend my maximum time to create wonderful prints and patterns. These are all my requirements, few of my merchandise goods out here, few of my design books for reference, some of my books which I have created. To begin with, let me introduce part by part of my studio work. Now, these are some of products which my students have designed, which is again print and pattern. You can see multiple effects of work what students have been doing out here. Very next time, the left side, you can see the samples created by the students, where my next step will be to create different types of prints and patterns. Now you can see some of like reference artwork done by some students, some Goan artists. Mario Miranda's job is kept out here for reference. Same time, some of the original prints which is yet to be released in the market. So we are working on the samplings out here. As my episode keeps on going, you'll find the varieties of work which I'm going to present. You can have a small round of the place where I'll be having the sessions for y'all. Every week, the studio will look different and there will be a greater impact of work which I'm going to show. And you guys, as a designers or students, are going to practice with me and y'all are going to do a great impact on prints and patterns. So I believe me and you, both of them are going to be equally good enough to respond each other. So I want you all to follow me, subscribe me, like my chapters, and anything you want to comment and understand from me, you can directly message me on the followed number. Thank you. Signing off right now for the day one. That's Anil Nair, your mentor for print and pattern.